Have you ever wondered why people sneeze? Sneezing is actually your body's way of protecting you. Inside your nose, there are tiny, sensitive nerve endings that act like alarms. When dust, pollen, smoke, or even strong smells enter your nose, these nerves detect the irritation right away. They send a quick message to your brain, and your brain responds instantly with a reflex. First, you take a deep breath. Then your chest, throat, and muscles work together to force air out through your nose and mouth at high speed. That powerful burst of air helps clear out whatever was bothering your nose. In simple terms, a sneeze is your body's natural cleaning system. It helps keep your airways clear and safe. So the next time you sneeze, remember, it's just your body doing its job to protect you.